Let us see exercise 9.4, fourth sum. Limit x tends to infinity 2x square plus 3 by 2x square plus 5 whole power 8x square plus 3. And you know very well, question in the formula irundhaduna, we cannot use any of the formula which we learnt in our intro. So let us rearrange it. How means, see here, limit is given as a infinity. So infinity irundha enna pannuvom, we will take higher degree of x outside. So idha nama ipo panna porom. Limit x tends to infinity, take the first term outside, 2x square veliya eduthachu. So balance will be 1 plus, here there is no 2x square, so write it in the denominator. Okay, the same thing for the denominator, 2x square into 1 plus 5 by 2x square whole power 8x square plus 3. Now this 2x square getting cancelled. You can split the limit for numerator and denominator separately. Let us do. So limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 8x square plus 3. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 5 by 2x square power 8x square plus 3. Again, power is in the addition, so I can even split the power. How? Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 3 by 2x square power 8x square into limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 3 by 2x square power 3 whole divided by. In the same way, I am going to split the powers into two terms. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 5 by 2x square whole power 8x square into limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 5 by 2x square whole power 3. Now you see which formula we can use. This means, see, limit x tends to infinity 1 plus k by x whole power x. Answer will be e power k. Remember this formula. Why we are using this formula means, we are having a constant in the numerator. So that is why we are choosing this formula. So x place la enna irukku pathina, x place la you are having 2x square. So convert this. How will you convert? Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 3 by 2x square power is 2x square whole power 8x square la 2x square you have written in first. So the remaining will be 4 times. Write it outside. Remaining same. 1 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 3 whole divided by. The same way you split the denominator. 1 plus 5 by 2x square power 2x square whole power 4. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 5 by 2x square whole power 3. Okay. Now see, this whole term becomes e power k. Okay. So e power k means, what is the k value here? 3. So e power 3 whole power 4. Do same for the denominator. E power, what is the k value here? 5 whole power 4. And what about the remaining these two terms? Means these two terms will become 0. Okay, there is no formula used here, so directly apply the limit. This term will become 0. So 1 cube, answer is 1. Again 1 cube, answer is 1. E power 3 4s are 12. Denominator e power 5 4s are 20. So once you cancel this for 12 times, balance will be 8 times in the denominator. So your final answer e power 1 by e power 8. Clear?